Hello children, our chapter is Stars in the Solar System. Phases of the Moon. See, there are 8 different phases of the Moon are there. So every 29 days it will repeat themselves. So we can see the white whole moon in the sky, that is full moon day. On this day, the sunlight will fall over the moon. 15th of the after 15 days of the full moon day, there comes a new moon day. The moon becomes completely invisible. So that is new moon day. Crescent moon. The next day of the moon that appears in the sky after the new moon, that is crescent moon. See, waning and waxing. What is meant by waning? The moon sizes will decrease, that is waning. Waxing refers to in the phase of the moon, its sizes will be increasing, that is waxing phase. So the 8 phases are at the first. When we'll start from the full moon day, and then it will waxing gibbous moon, and then first quarter, and then waxing crescent, and then new moon day, and then waning crescent, and then third quarter, and then waning gibbous, and then again it will comes to full moon day. Blue moon. See, usually every month only one new moon day will come, but sometimes in a single month there will be 2 new moons will come. So the second new moon in a month, that is called as blue moon. So according to the phases of the moon, in Indian society we are celebrating the festivals depending upon the phases of moon. Say for example, Diwali we are celebrating on a new moon day, and then Mahashivratri celebrated on the 13th night of waning moon, and then Guru Nanak birthday celebrated on a full moon day, and then Eid ul Fitr we are celebrating on the day following the crescent moon. Surface of the moon. See, the surface of the moon will be barren. Usually it will be covered with the dust. So these are called as craters, that is the bowl-shaped cavities which is present in the surface of the moon. So here there will be no presence of water and atmosphere also on the moon. So how can we hear sound on the moon? See, there is no atmosphere on the moon, so there will be no gases will be present. So it cannot act as a medium for propagation of sound. So the astronauts cannot hear. So they'll use microphones to communicate with each other. Who was the first astronaut to land on the moon? See, we already know Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon, followed by another astronaut, Edwin Aldrin, on July 21st, 1969. Answer the following. Explain the phases of moon with a neat diagram. Can we hear sound on the moon? Who was the first astronaut to land on the moon?